Welcome to the video. Welcome to the channel. My name is Rory. If you want to do this in the free version of DaVinci Resolve, what we're going to do today, we're going to make an animated outline that changes color around a person. If you're on the free version, you're going to have to come to runwayml.com. I'll leave a link in the description. You'll click on Get Started. It'll ask you to log in. I've already logged in. You come up here to the upper left-hand corner, click on that, go to Dashboard, come all the way down to the bottom, click on All Tools, Remove Background Video. You'll click on this, you'll upload your video, and it's just like the magic mask inside of the studio version of DaVinci Resolve. Once you export that video, it's going to have a green screen. So I would remove the green screen. If you don't know how, there's a video on my channel, how to remove a green screen. Then you want to export that video with the transparent background. And I'm going to show you how to do all of that right now because we're going to do it in the studio version. But everything can be done except for this will make removing the background much easier. It's the same thing as the magic mask in the studio version. So with all that being said, let's bring in our clip to our timeline. We have this guy here busting the moves. So what we're going to do is we're going to mask him out. We're going to jump into our color page. I'm going to find a spot here that I think is good for masking. I think we'll just go with that right there. We're going to click on our magic mask. We're going to turn on our overlay. And we're going to just click him a couple times to mask him out. We'll hit the shoes. Make sure we got the arms. I think we did. I think we're looking pretty good there. Make sure we got the white in the socks there. So now we're going to right click over in this area here. We're going to add alpha output. We're going to connect this blue to this blue dot to make our alpha output. We're going to check the overlay and you can see it's done a pretty good job of masking everything out. Maybe a little around his hair. I could just bring the radius in a little bit to get rid of that. It doesn't have to be that good of a mask anyway because we're going to put an outline around him anyhow. So once that's done, I'm now going to track it back and forth. We've completed the tracking. We can jump over into our edit page and we can see the job that it's done. So now what we're going to do, we're going to render this out keeping the transparent background. So we go over to our deliver page. We come up here, make sure that it's on QuickTime. Make sure the codec is DNxHR. Make sure that export alpha is checked. I'm going to give it a name of breaking. I'll just call it break dancing. I'll save it to my desktop. Over to the render queue. We'll render it out. It's done rendering. We'll hop back over into our edit page. We're going to import it. And we're going to bring that on top of this original clip. Well, this one is the one we just did. We're going to delete that. We're going to bring in the original. And now we're going to bring in the one we just exported with the transparent background. I don't need that. So you can see this is our clip, and this is with the transparent background. Now, when these are both in the same position, it's covering him. If you offset it a little bit, this is kind of a neat effect all in itself. That might be something kind of cool to render out. That's for another day. So now that we have these two videos here, we will highlight them both. We will right click. We'll come up to New Fusion Clip. We're going to go to our Fusion page. We have our Media Out node. And I'm going to disconnect everything. Disconnect everything. We're going to get rid of Merge To, and we're going to get rid of the background. We'll highlight them and get rid of them. We have our Merge node. We have Media 1 and Media 2. I'm going to drag Media 1 into the viewer. I can see that's our original. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to hit F2 on the keyboard, and I'll put ORG for original. I'm going to drag that in. We can see that's the one with our transparent background. F2 on the keyboard. TRA for transparent. Hit OK. We're going to take the transparent. We're going to connect the output to the green. And we're going to take the original output to the yellow. With the transparent highlighted, we're going to hit Shift Space Bar. I'm sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. We're not going to do that. We're going to come up to our Effects tab. Open that. We're going to go to Templates, Fusion, Tools, and we're going to bring in an alpha edge, the edge control. We'll pull that into our viewer. We'll change the blur size to 1, and that gives us our outline. Now, with your edge control highlighted, we're going to hit Shift Space Bar again, and we're going to bring in a soft glow. Right here is what we want. We have soft glow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring down the size of that glow a little bit. I'm going to zoom in here. And I'm going to bring down the size of the glow just a little bit. Bring it all the way down. I'm going to pull our glow in. And I'm going to bring it down to about there. Then I'm going to come to Color Scale. We're going to click that. I'm going to bump the blue up. I'm going to bump up the green. You can just adjust these to get whatever color you want. That's kind of the color I'm going for right there. I'll scroll back out of that. Now with our soft glow highlighted, we're going to bring in another soft glow. Shift Space Bar. Bring in another one. Highlight that one. On this, I'm going to bring the gain down some to about like that. I'm going to go to the color scale, and I'm going to bump up that blue even more. So that's about how we're looking right there. If you were to play that, that's what we have. Bringing that second soft glow in. That's looking good. Drag it into your viewer. Now after the soft glow, to make this color change as the video progresses, we're going to highlight the soft glow 2, Shift Space Bar, and we're going to bring in a color corrector, CC, color corrector. Add that in. Make sure it's highlighted. We're going to make sure our playhead is at the beginning, and under hue, we're going to put a keyframe. We're going to bring our playhead all the way to the end. We're going to put another keyframe, and the hue, we're going to change that to 1.0. Now when we play that, I'll drag this. We also want to, we want to drag this merge in. And with the merge highlighted, we want to change the apply mode from normal to screen. Now, if we play this through, you can see that the outline is changing colors. We'll hop over into the edit page. First, we have to connect to our media out before we go to the edit page. And we play this through, and you'll see that the outline is changing colors. So that's how you do that. Like I said, go to Runway and do the magic mask there, and then just follow the rest of the steps. That's all I got for you in this video. We'll see you in the next one.